Okay. So today is Sunday, the 24th, and I came back just to take another look at the flooring. And what I wanted to do was compare what we have versus what a new floor should look like. So that's what I did. This is brand new out of the box floor, and this is our existing floor. You know, and out of the box floor, what looks wonderful, our existing floor, after applying this chemical, does not look like the new floor. So that's what I observe, and I find that I want the result to look like that, not like what it currently looks like. You know, if I had, I will say it looks better and that spots have been removed, but whatever that chemical did, it appears to have damaged the floor. So we have a spot here which is just scuffed. Similarly up here, this, in the right shade, you can see that it could use another coat of paint. So in here I've just made marks, as Barry has suggested. Maybe that, that was the idea of trying to see if we can remove the marks, but removing seems to have not done the job. Here is a case where the switches are not the same color. So this one is off. Same concept over here. And this one, these two match, but this one is off. Okay, down here, I think I'd like to see the caulking better. Same over here, the caulking better, and that'll be fine. There's a little bit of paint back there, but I don't care about that. Up here, just touch up. I can see the marks. Over here, there's paint along here. Here, just use touch up. Here again, just touch up. Some just marks on the wall. Down here, there's an actual dent in the wall. And over here, it's cracking away from the wall. So that's just a minor touch-up. Here, we are missing the screws. Again, missing the screws. Here, this plastic strip was wobbling yesterday, but even so, if you look at the gap here, it's quite large. And as you go up to right here, it's small. So it just needs to be adjusted, and maybe this needs to be better fastened. I mean, it adheres from some sort of like stickum behind the plastic, but it apparently breaks loose. So maybe some better adhesive would be useful. Otherwise, this room looks okay. This closet was fine. I didn't see anything. Right, so that was basically it. I think this room looks wonderful. Aside from the floor looks okay. That's all I can say is it looks okay. It doesn't look like a new floor, it looks like a clean floor. This is what I would like to see. I don't know how to achieve that, but that's what I would like to see. And I'm going to leave it here just as a contrast for when Barry comes, he can use that. I don't think they cleaned underneath the couch because I see a line like along here. So, I didn't mark underneath the couch. I did not mark underneath the bed. I don't know that the marking and cleaning approach is going to produce acceptable results, but I'll leave that to Barry to decide. Otherwise, it's very cosmetic, the little tiny things. Barry asked me to be very specific on finding anything, and you know, I've pointed out the things which I see, but it's really a nice job. It's just the floor is the disappointment. It could have been much better, but the installer was sloppy, is what it comes down to. Whoever did the floors did a sloppy job, and it's a shame because they could have been so nice. All right, that's it for today, Sunday. I'm leaving the pieces on the floor for comparison, and I'll let Barry decide what the best next step is.